Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing both your background and green screen footage into Filmora. Once the files are in, drag the background to track 1 and the green screen clip to track 2 directly above it so you can immediately see layering. Make sure clips are trimmed and time-aligned. If they differ in length, adjust the endpoints now. Also verify project aspect ratio is 16:9 or match your delivery format, because consistent framing prevents scaling errors later. You now apply the Chroma key effect to the top clip. Select it and open the Chroma key controls. Use the eyedropper to sample the exact green or blue tone. This avoids overselecting. Once the key is active, adjust similarity and edge feather to remove halos and preserve fine details like hair. Make sure to reduce spill using the suppression or offset sliders so background colors don't reflect onto the subject. Keep previewing at full resolution to ensure clean removal. Finish by refining the composite. Apply color correction so subject matches the background, add masks to isolate problem areas, and use motion tracking if your subject moves across the frame. Render a short preview to check for artifacts, and export using the same resolution and a high bitrate to preserve detail. If you see fringes or transparency issues, resample the chroma color with the eyedropper, increase edge feather slightly, or, as a last resort, reshoot with more even lighting to avoid keying problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.